Yeah, steady. Sammy, can you hold the brake a little bit here?
Right.
And it comes on and off quite sudden. You got it?
Yeah, it's only going to hit me.
Okay.
Put it by the front over here. I'll take the van out the yard now. I'll take the van back to the car park.
Right, okay. Where did the stands go, Glenn?
I'll put the stands in the museum.
Right, a monowheel. What year is this then?
This was built 6 years ago, so 2020, maybe 7 now.
And you said, when did they start playing monowheels? What year did they start playing?
The first monowheels became known about in over 100 years, 1903.
Don't believe you.
I've got videos, I've got pictures on a poster which you'll have. So over 100 years ago they first became of interest.
Yeah.
Through the war.
What sort of motors did they use then, or with a pedal power?
Initially pedals and early Villiers engines and things like that.
Yeah. Where was most of the development done in Germany or America?
No, there's pictures from all over Europe and America.
You're kidding?
There's some.
I remember as a kid seeing these in all sorts of magazines and stuff.
Yeah.
Now I've got one for the museum.
Yeah.
My luck's changing.
Some guy
Kevin, my luck's changing, Kevin. I've got a monowheel.
100 miles across from Spain to bloody France in one, but and there's claims.
How difficult are to ride or drive? Do you call them ride or drive?
Fly.
Right, fly. Where's your wings?
It's up and down. It's up and you turn the throttle and it's.
So how difficult are to control?
It's a very acquired taste. There's no steering. That's locked solid.
Yeah, it's just balance factor.
And it's shifting your weight and your bum, make it lean. And,
a good trials rider should be able to ride one of these then.
I don't know any good trials riders. Do you know any good trials riders? Yes, it needs somebody that knows how to shift their bum and
very important when you're doing trials riding. So this wheel here then, that must take a bit of. How on earth did you ever get that made?
Well, we had that rolled up at angle rings.
You're very lucky to find a man to do that, a craftsman to do that.
There's 2 shops in Birmingham, very close to each other, that roll up things like this.
Big tube benders and
Tube
stuff.
benders, yes.
Yeah.
But getting the joint sounds,
yes.
getting the weld honest and straight.
How did you throw it up then?
They trimmed it. The ends are bad, but they overbent it and cut the ends off, and we got what we got.
Yeah.
It was about 3 millimeters out around, which is fine.
Nothing. Yeah.
And a little bit.
And of course, you've got a bit of latitude with the drives too, you know.
Yeah, and the way we've arranged these, the motor down here has got a chain on the other side, which drives a flanged wheel at the back.
Yeah.
So that chain drive, long.
Have you had any gear change? It's just direct
drive.
No,
just direct drive with a centrifugal clutch.
Yeah.
And we've got quite a big wheel because we've designed this for high speed. No, people might drive with a 6-inch wheel, but we've got 250mm 10-inch wheel.
So what friction? How do you get the friction on the job then?
It's the weight. It's the weight.
That sort of sits down on the drive.
We started off with systems with the drive at the front and a swing load to push it. It was skidding. Once we got above sort of 20-30 mile an hour, it's skidding.
Yeah.
And we changed the design to have all the weight under your drive under your bum, and all the weight of you. It's got suspension. If you come round the back here, come round the back, you see the suspension package over this side. So the carbons here, which are all our build and your weight, are sprung relative to the steel subframe with the engine and the drive wheel. And this is a push bike suspension unit, which we can adjust the preload. There's a fancy snail cam. And we click it around to adjust the preload to raise and lower.
Is it much load on it?
There's no load like this. There's no load. Does it drive into the? As you sit on it, then it gets loaded up, and at the moment it's hanging on the top wheels because it's on a frame. When it's on the ground, that top roller will run free.
These guys, what are they? Plastic?
Nylon, yes.
Nylon. Yeah.
Well, that's the composite. There's 2 or 3 different parts in there. The big flanges are important because there's the suspension.
Where do you get these tires from?
Push bikes.
I thought you were have tricky getting a 4 foot tire, you know. Is it 4 foot or 5 foot?
Yeah,
what's the diameter?
It's about
four and a half, 5
yeah,
foot.
about 5 foot. Yeah, 150 mil inside.
So how do you get this then? Run through it again.
Look, there's joints. We glued it. We cut up push bikes. Where's it gone? We cut up push bikes, and there's a joint, and there's
a good adhesive.
There's 3.
Good adhesive.
We tried all sorts of adhesives, and we ended up with good old original smelly Evo stick.
Yeah, great.
By far the best.
Yeah.
And that's stuck on, and then the rivets for insurance.
Yeah. Good. And how do you get all these side plates made? Do you laser profile those out or something?
No, we laid those up. We made a jig, a wooden board with hard pins at all the important places.
Yes.
And we laid up the carbons. One of the guys in the team is a Valley Sea Kayaks, and he makes really nice boats.
Yes.
And he was the guy that said, let's go carbon. Our first one was all steel.
Yeah.
And we want lightweight. Laid it all up, and on all these precision points were in the jig.
Yeah, made a jig up.
One flat board.
Yeah.
17 layers of carbon and glass, metal inserts in all the strong points.
You got bearings in here?
Yeah. Well,
what are the Timkins or
the
just ordinary bearings?
The bearings are in the wheels.
Yeah.
And there's rubber bushes in there to give a little bit of soft mount on the axle.
Yeah.
So that's running with the bearings in the wheel.
Serious bit of work. So how long have you been working on this then? Before you sold it to the museum?
15 years we started. 15 years ago we started.
Pardon?
This one we started 8 years ago, and we stopped using it.
And you're working on a new one now then?
We've got
I hear you're working on an electric one.
We've got an electric one.
I heard on the grapevine that you're working on an electric one.
Yeah, we've gone to the dark side.
Yeah.
Gone to the dark side with electric.
Single fillet wheel.
Yeah, it is
totally different
a
wheel.
billet of aluminium, no rivets, vulcanised rubber.
Yeah, great.
We've just been to the rubber shop on the way down.
Have you? Right, where?
Birmingham. Birmingham, a company called BH Leaks.
Whereabouts in Birmingham?
King's Heath.
Just south of Birmingham, yeah, King's Heath.
Oh yeah, that was near where Aerial Factory used to be. Selly Oak.
If you ever
spent my youth in Selly Oak.
If you ever want something with rubber to be bonded onto metal, this is the place to go.
I think I've worked with them in the past.
Old school.
There was a serious fire a few years ago, and the whole place was burned down or something.
Well, old school workshop.
What was the name of them?
BH Leaks.
BH Leaks, yeah.
And old school stuff. And
wonderful achievement, and we're really pleased to have it in the museum. And
we're sad to lose it.
Well, you're not losing it. You can come and see it.
Come on a visit.
We will the pace.
We will come
back. Right, there we go.
We
wonderful.
will come back.
Cheers.